Hey everyone, it's Pam. I'm going to be doing the walkthrough of marketing right now. Um, the next set of things on the dashboard here, when you're looking at on the left-hand side here, like there's Launchpad, dashboard, conversations. Those I was able to just put all together and everything. But marketing and all these other ones are going to be a little bit more intense or a lot more info. So I'm going to break it up. So we're not, you don't have to sit here and listen to me for hours. And this way, if you just want to know about marketing, you can just come in. Okay. And watch. All right, so let me move my little thing over here. Okay, so this is marketing. First thing is social planner. Yes, you can schedule all of your social media. Now, you can't do groups or anything yet. I wish, but that's okay. Facebook allows you to schedule all that in there. Okay. This social planner is awesome to do bulk. Just come in here and just spend a good hour and just batch all your social media. Now, there's some things in here. So let's go ahead. As you can see, I did it. Don't worry about this failed one. It's because one of my Instagrams is not connected as a business. Okay, so let's go ahead and kind of check things out here. There is settings. I don't think I really. We're going to go. Okay, so settings. You are able to connect Google Business, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. So that's pretty awesome. I need to connect my YouTube. I don't know if it was here earlier, but hey. And then Pinterest. I need to do that too. So it will walk you through all this. And then notifications. Let's see here. These are just settings. Just go ahead if there's anything. I think I just want to know like when my account they get tokens and stuff through Subtrio, well, high level. They would want you to verify these accounts every so often. So, all right. Categories. Not I haven't played around with it too much. So you can have categories. Now, watermark, really cool. And I do plan on doing a whole video of how you do bulk creation in here for social media. So that will be coming. I'm just doing a basic walkthrough. I put a watermark on my stuff, and let's see here. It will show up very briefly right here. So you can put whatever you want on here. This is just the name. I wonder why. Okay. And then you can do the alignment. You can put it wherever you want. Like if I put it right there, and then you can, it could be the transparency, or you can have it all the way and then scale, so this is pretty awesome. I didn't see this at first, so this had to have been a newish this year kind of thing. All right, so there's that. So that was the settings. And then if we want to add a new post, I'll show you real quick. You can create a new post, you can upload, you can go to the social planner templates, content that will cost you money. And then these other things, I really haven't played around with them yet. So let's go ahead and create a new post. I'm just going to walk you through it real quick. It's very basic, not basic, but kind of like, just like every other scheduler. Okay, so I'm going to collect, I have one that's Facebook group, and this, what I mean by Facebook group is all of them on Facebook, but we can't add a group yet. So if you want a group like that will, like, for example, I'm going to click that, and then all the ones that I want, maybe it's not, anywho, why is it not showing up? Okay, I'm just going to click like that and we'll be fine. So you can do a post, you can do a story, you can do a reel. Pretty amazing. I guess on this page I can't do a story. So, and this is a Facebook page. All right. And then you put in your content. It has, you can bold it, all put emojis, an image. If it's a reel, you don't put an image, but there you go. You can upload from the media or create one from AI, but remember AI costs you money. You have hashtags, you can put in video, and all these other things right here. Advanced option, that's where you can apply the watermark. You can choose a category and search tags. So if I wanted to put, inspirational, then I'll put a category right there and it just kind of pops up, in your reports and stuff. Okay, so there is that. And like I said, I will do a full video of all this. Content, this is kind of a new thing, so I haven't really played around with it too much. But you can upload, like if you have, I've seen people like create stuff in spreadsheets and then you can just load it up in here. Awesome, right? And then you can have reoccurring posts in here. You can have review. And as you can see, I have not done any of this because I didn't really know it was here for a while. And then RS and then template library. I tried playing around with this. I have to figure out about the templates, what's going on, what do I do? I don't want, I'm just going to delete it for right now because I don't know what all that is. But there's template library. You just click new posts and then it takes you to, there's these things and you can look at them. I don't know how they come into play, so I will definitely be having to look into that, of course. Okay, and then approval. Now this is really good, like if you have a VA or you have a team member or a partner or whatever, and you're like, hey, the social media, get them approved so that we can load them up into the planner. Okay, and then stats. Beautiful. There is stats for this and it will show you comments, all that stuff. It is pretty darn cool. Okay. And then, okay, so that is a social planner. Emails. Couple things about emails here. Campaigns are campaigns as in you're sending like weekly, daily, or monthly. These are when you are creating emails. Like here, I have my Zoom call. I have the weekly emails here, and I have a lot, but that was because I didn't know what I was doing way back in the day. So I really suggest you have folders. Okay, create folders, and like this one right here, I'm just going to move to a folder. And then it takes it off that. I'm eventually going to clean this all up. So folders, and then just put your info in there, your emails that you want to keep. Okay. And then also, so remember, campaigns are ones that you want to send weekly, daily, monthly, yearly, whatever. Templates are emails that go into workflows and funnels, workflows. Okay, so templates are when, sorry, there was a motorcycle, so I had to pause it. So templates are emails that you create for your workflows. For example, my Canva creations, I have email 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the onboarding for when I upload my Facebook contacts. I put them in here. They will get the email number 1, and then like 3 days later, they get the email number 2. I will show you all that when I go through the automation part of this. But templates are emails that you put into workflows. Okay. And so, yeah, there we go. So I have membership ones. I have affiliates. I have, I don't need these user login templates because, emails are already automated with Subtrio Go High Level, and I'll show you where that is as well. Let's see here. Sometimes it's really hard to find where everything is, but that is membership settings, email settings. Okay, so this is, they get a welcome email, and I just edited the one and put my info. Looks like I might have to redo it. I have a new logo, and then I take off the drip, and then there's also the send offer access. Like, let's say if someone got into the membership, they will get the login because that's what it is, and then it's the access is letting them know what they have access to. Okay, so that is where it's under courses, membership settings, but make sure you check on all those before you, start your products, membership, all that. Okay, let's go back to marketing. Once again, campaigns, weekly, daily, monthly, yearly. Those are those kind of things. Templates are ones that go into the workflow, and you will see that process when I go to the automation part of it. Templates, snippets, I've never really used. Maybe something that we will look into, but I just haven't. I'll have to look into it and learn what this is about. Trigger links, kind of similar. These are links that you can put in messages and emails, which allow you to track. And when I did this the other day, it was telling me, let's see here, add a link, that they are not trackable anymore or something like that, or whatever. But these are, for example, I set one up for Sadie for people that wanted co-working to be contacted. So what I did is I created a trigger link that when they click on that link, they will automatically get a tag that says co-working, and then they will also get sent to a page that gives them the schedule of co-working and says, okay, thank you, and all that. So then when we want to send emails, instead of sending to everybody, we can send to just the ones that signed up through that trigger link and have the tag co-working. Okay, so there's that. Analyze any trigger links that I don't have. But like I said, these are things that I haven't had to use at the moment, but they are coming. All right. Affiliate manager. This is definitely a whole nother video that I have to do, but I'll walk you through a lot. Okay. Dashboard. This is your dashboard. You can see just what has come in, and I got one today. That's cool. Someone did that. It will, so the dashboard just telling you, so this is how much revenue. Now the campaign page is, this is how much revenue has been generated. I have not really done much with my affiliate, so that's coming. I do have affiliates. As you can see, I do have affiliates. So there is, yeah, there's that. And then here's the affiliate, a list of, affiliates, which is beautiful. It will say their leads, all that, how much, and okay, I go to payout, and I have, I'm going to prove this one. You can't see who it is or anything, but I'm going to approve that one for payout. All right. And then here's ones that are approved for payout. And it looks like I get to pay some people here, one today and one in 1 month. So that's awesome. And then media, I do have some stuff. I do have to update this. So you can have folders, files, and then settings. So this is where you would have the affiliate sign up, how much the cookie is, and what you pay. And I pay every month. So I don't know what any of this is, so I am going to not do any of this until I go into more detail about it. But it looks like you can have like sub affiliates. I just need to get the affiliates worked out first before I think about other people. All right, so there's that. I never played around with this, so I don't recommend doing any of that. And then brand boards, this is where you can set up, and I do have a video. You can search in the Subtrio Facebook or on my website called Pam Allen Online. Okay, so in here, brand boards, you can create a new one. Let's go ahead and edit this so I can show you why it's not popping up. I mean, I just opened it. It's probably Zoom. Probably Zoom. Okay, I don't know why they wouldn't open up, but I clicked on new, and so you can start from blank or you can start with these colors. Oh, here we go. It decided to work now. Okay, so I have for my Pam Allen, I have a regular you know, transparent logo. And then I did a black and white one just in case, like I just want to put them on things. And then my colors, and then I have my fonts. So there you go. And I think I want to keep that as a default brand. All right. Oh, and then you can pick your colors here, your fonts right here. That's, sorry, you put your logo. Yeah, the computer has a life of its own at this moment. Okay, so there you go. We walk through marketing now. Next one would be automation.